Let's start to make the drawings. Now I'm inserting the drawings. So see, go to insert and locate the file. Where is this? And then we will start how to make it. Okay. File, PDF, and then go to select anyone. Then okay, we will make the this second diagram. This. So for this, see step by step all the steps. First, we will be make the center point, one horizontal line and one vertical line in same distance we will make, and we will bring it to each other in the midpoint. In this way, we can get the center point of the diagram. And then go to circle and make the circle as per its radius. And then second circle. And then give the distance between two circles. So this is offset command, use offset command, left and right sides. And then make an small circles both sides. Then we will meet to each other. This is also circle. And now both sides we have to make these circles. After complete the circles, we will be meet these circles by line command and 10 points and tangent points. So line and 10, then this is, I am taking this mirror, I enter, or you go to the mirror command, make this mirror, and also mirror from right to left side. See, easily you can make this diagram. Now you have to put the dimensions, and your diagram is ready. So in very easy way, you can make by using Autocad. Autocad is very good software for making the diagrams, especially detailed drawings, very accurate you can make. So always use Autocad command when you have such a drawings. This is dimension. See what dimension you need. You go to dimension dialog, main menu, and then put the dimension. If there is radius, you can take the radius command from there. If there is diameter, you can take the diameter from there. So the people who is little working in AutoCAD, he know about this process. So this is not a big issue. Main thing is your dimension should be viewers and clear, and it is readable. So the person who is seeing this drawing or who is working on this drawing, it is easy for him to determine the dimensions. I hope you like this video, and please share and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for your appreciation, for encouragement. See my video always. Thank you very much.